Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious zucchini chocolate chip bread. The first thing we're going to do is start off by grating up some fresh zucchini. This is really easy to do. Just grab a cheese grater and grate it till it's completely done. We're going to set it to the side, and then in a large bowl, we're going to add in some eggs. Next, followed up with a little bit of oil, and then some vanilla extract. At this point, grab a whisk because we want to make sure it is completely combined and the eggs are completely broken down before we add in other ingredients like our grated zucchini. Next, some sugar, a little bit of brown sugar, and now I'm going to add in some baking powder, some baking soda, some cinnamon for flavor, a bit of nutmeg, and then of course some salt. And then last but not least, we've got some all-purpose flour that we are going to add in there. Grab your whisk and begin to mix everything until it becomes completely combined. If it becomes hard to stir, just set that whisk aside and grab out a spoon or even a rubber spatula like you see here and continue to fold all of those ingredients together until they're mixed in. Now add in some crushed walnuts, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, that's optional of course, and fold in all of the ingredients together until they are combined again. At this point, we are going to set this to the side, and I've got some 9x5 loaf pans, and I'm going to spray them with some nonstick spray. Go ahead and add in the batter evenly to each loaf pan, and now what we want to do is smooth it out a little bit using the back side of our rubber spatula. It is going in the oven on 350 degrees for in between 55 and 60 minutes. These look excellent. Wait until they are completely cool until they are ready to slice up and serve. I like to put a little bit of softened unsalted butter on mine. You can eat it plain. I just like the extra added flavor. These are super good. You will love them, and I hope you enjoy making and eating them.